everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 killer car, guys. Recent body up restoration, really nicely done car, guys. It is a factory California built car. If you know anything about California cars, they're non-X-code cars, so documenting these cars is a little bit tougher than your standard X-code cars. I can tell you it does have the correct Z28 options. If you've ever, matter of fact, my buddy who got this car for me, Scott, just had McNeese at his shop not too long ago, and he was documenting a couple of Z's for him. And the first thing he looks at is where the speedo comes out. Speedo comes out in the correct spot in this car for the high performance cars, and also the exhaust tab on the rear. For the exhaust that was on these cars, this car, you can look up there and you can see it. The tab's gone, but you can definitely see where it was on there. So again, California car, killer car, factory code 72 Hugger orange car. This car rocks, guys. I mean, this thing will absolutely get out there and fly. See a couple little touch-up marks. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick on it. Car is really, really nice. Like I say, you can see a couple little stone packs, some things like that, but pretty doggone nice car. But again, factory code 72 Hugger orange car. You can see it's got the bumperettes on the front and rear, front spoiler. It's got the cowl hood on it. Paint slick. And this car rocks, guys. It has an 010 performance block, which is the GM performance block in it, with a set of Edelbrock aluminum heads, and this thing absolutely gets down. You stab this thing, you got to get ready. It will get sideways quick. You can see pretty paint. Again, factory's code 72 Hugger orange. Little stone peck there. I think there's one little one right there as well. Car's nice and straight down the side. It's got the correct 15-inch rally wheels on it with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got a good sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust system on it. 12-bolt 373. It's just little spots. Limited slip rear. Fun car to bang the gears. I can't keep Jordan out of this thing. He loves driving this. Again, original California car. Pretty. Touch-up mark there. Again, just little stone packs. Power front disc brakes. Wish that was factory. Again, GM 010 performance block, which is what the Z's were. This block's been decked, so there's nothing on the front. It could be the right motor. We can't tell you that. But we know it's an 010 performance block. It's supposed to been mildly built, but actually the 302 specs. You can see it's got the Winters aluminum intake on it. Edelbrock aluminum heads. It's got ceramic headers. Holley dual feed 4-barrel. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Correct air cleaner and finned aluminum valve covers. It's got a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. And rocks. This thing gets out there and gets it, guys. Really good looking car. You see how nice the bottoms of those doors are and everything. Bottle top's in great shape. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I know guys getting a little frustrated. I've been out of town buying stuff and hanging with the kids a little bit, but Bunch of new stuff coming. See a little mark on the top of your door pad. I love this factory deluxe interior. It's got the comfort weave seats in it. These look like the original sill plates for the car. Door jambs are nice and clean. Bucket seats, console. It's got the tilt column with the sport wheel. Uh, 50,644. That's supposed to be the right miles. 6,000 redline tach in it. It's got the factory gauges. It's got a retro sounds radio in it. It's a silver ball with the Hearst shifter. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust. Uh, 12 bolt 373 limited slip rear end. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. You can see the car's clean. Car's nice and clean underneath. Sorry guys. Again, 12 bolt flows. Doors are nice and clean. Again, we had a green one here, and it ran like a son of a gun. I'm telling you right now, I think this one's faster. I like that interior. I believe your original owner's manual's in the glove box. See, the wood grain's nice. Gauges are nice and clean. It's already fired up here. I bet you those are the original door handles, and they're pretty doggone nice. This stuff right here has been replaced. This thing rocks, boys. Sounds great. Oh, it's got the speed minder on it too. Oh, clock, yeah, clock does work. Parking brake, you check the parking brake? Parking brake works, guys. Backup lights work. I'm telling you, you stomp on this thing, it gets with the program. Gauges are functional, radio works, blower motor. Sounds like that blower motor works. And make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook pages. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way we get a notification every time I post a new video. Oh, somebody pulled out in front of him. Have a great day, guys.